Hello guys, my name is Alain. I'm a HVAC contractor here in Central Florida, and today I want to show you something about this amazing device called soft start, which is going to be attached to the condenser unit. That device is used to protect your compressor. They're going to give a longer life to your compressor. I'm going to tell you why now. One of the main advantages of this device is that it's going to drop like 70% according to the manufacturer the inrush amperage of the compressor when the compressor starts. And I'm going to test it now, the inrush amperage without the unit, without the device. It's not connected yet, as you can see here. In my tag here, every tag gonna tell you the LRA is gonna be about the maximum peak in amperage when the compressor starts. Then I will test it out with my clamp meter and see how much inrush amp I have. I put it in the scale. Inrush amp. I may try to turn on the light. It might be more visible. Then I'm going to turn it on now and see how much is it. You see, 89.71. 89.71 without the device. I'm going to install the device now and test it again, see how much drop that number. Okay. Hello guys, back here, Alain speaking. I already installed the soft start. Right now it's in delay, and I have the meter here waiting for the compressor to start. Then after install the soft start, let's see how much amperage is the inrush amperage of the compressor. Before was 89, and it should be almost ready to start. The soft start itself have a 3-minute delay to protect the compressor. Then I'm waiting now. It should be almost ready to start the compressor. You're gonna feel the fan motor will start first. Then if this is a delay, it will be a delay for the compressor to start. And maybe a few seconds more, it should be starting. Before was, remember, 89 amperes, the 89 amps, the peak inrush amperage. Let's see with the device on how much amperage we got. I'm sorry for the delay, but that's the way we can do it properly. Come on, buddy. You see the number 23.24. That's the inrush amperage with the device. Without the device, the inrush amperage was 89. It's a big drop, 70%. It's like the manufacturer said. Then I'm going to make another video testing the power factor. That's the efficiency of the compressor. See if there is some change without and with the unit. Okay, this video is going to be only for the inrush amperage. Okay, thank you for watching. My company name is AMPM Air Conditioning Services here in Florida, and you can call or text us or whatever and contact us contact us, and the number is going to be in the description of the video. Thank you for watching again. Okay.